If you're looking for a grilling set, then you are definitely going to want to consider this 4-piece set from Alpha Grillers. It is a stainless steel set that is absolutely fantastic quality. So the first piece that I'm going to talk about is the spatula. It has a serrated edge that is actually quite sharp. I do not want to rub my finger on that because that is quite sharp. So the possibilities to be able to check your meat while it's on the grill is fantastic. But look at how cool is this. They really thought ahead. That is a bottle opener in the center of your spatula. Each of them have a really nice grip on the handle. The handles also come in wood as well. This is the rubber option. All 4 pieces have a very strong hanger on it to hang it for organizing or hanging it on your grill. Amazed at the quality of this basting brush. It's a silicone brush, but look, it is 18 inches long with the same comfortable handle, and they're just really heavy. I weighed this spatula. It's almost 3/4 of a pound. It is just nice and solid. The fork, I wouldn't call it sharp, but yet it is. It has a nice point on it, but I was trying to bend the ends. There's no give. You can get a nice poke into a large piece of meat and it will not flex and give way. I really had fun testing out and playing with the tongs. As most tongs, it has a lock, so now it's closed in the closed position, but it really has a great spring to it. I was curious at how it would do picking up an egg. It really grips it nice. I was curious about a heavier object. Will it hold? So here's a 2-pound bag of nuts. It does fantastic. It grips really good. I was just super impressed with this unit. So we are giving this one as a gift, but I have another one on order for us. I am very impressed with the Alpha Grillers 4-piece stainless steel grilling utensils.